Have you ever had the displeasure of experiencing the following? Fear not, as Teacher JM is here, and welcome to Office Made Easier. Today we will be dealing with the various functions in Microsoft Office, Excel, and PowerPoint, and make it easier for you. Before we delve deeper into the advanced Office skills, please subscribe to the video so we can have more videos like this one. First up, let us discuss about pictures. Pictures are electronic or digital photographs saved in any local storage device. We have generally four types of picture file formats. The first one is the Joint Photographic Experts Group, aka JPEG. Next one is the Portable Network Graphics, also known as PNG. Another one is the Graphics Interchange Format, otherwise referred to as GIF. And last but not least are Scalable Vector Graphics, also known as SVG format. Various formats possess different strengths in various situations. JPEG, GIF, PNG formats are generally faster. SVG formats, on the other hand, are good for vector arts and symbols. PNG and SVG formats are good for transparency or photographs with no background. These two together with GIFs are good for animation. JPEG is the most commonly used one, however, as it has a lossy property, which means certain details are removed, allowing for easier handling and compression, which is why it's preferred format whenever we send pictures to another person. Next up, we have clip arts, which are line art drawings or images used as something to represent ideas and objects that one might want to integrate in their document. Microsoft Word has a library of clip arts that can be bought, though generally I'd rather download from third-party providers. I mean, do I really have to elaborate on this one? Shapes, they are, well, these things. But if we are to define it properly, these are printable objects or materials used to enhance appearance or allow to have tools in communicating ideas or messages in the context of ICT. Smart art. These are predefined sets of different shapes, often organized in a way that represents organized or structural ideas. These are used to show relationships or flow of ideas or infographic documents. Chart. Another type of material used to represent data characteristics and trends. These are useful for preparing reports that correlate and present data in a graphical manner. You can actually directly import from Excel to Microsoft Word when creating these charts. You input the data in Microsoft Excel and then you put it in Microsoft Word. Amazing, no? Screenshots or SS. These are photos taken in a digital space using a snipping tool or the print screen key, which allows us to show exactly what we want to display or put in our document. These are basically photos of what you see on your, well, screen. These images and elements, when placed in a Word document, has different modes. Remember what I showed you earlier? Bruh. Yeah. In order for that to not happen, we have the different types of image placement. The first one is the inline with text. This is the default setting where photos act like text. It often distorts the appearance of the image as it acts like a text, but uses up plenty of space since it is, well, a graphic. Second, we have the square type of format. It allows the image to be inserted anywhere within the document, wherein the text wraps around it in a square pattern like frame. The next one, the tight format. Similar to the square format, but the text hugs to the general shape of the image, allowing for more creative effect. It is often used with a transparent image like GIF or PNG. The fourth mode of placement is what we call thorough. It allows the text to flow even tighter and takes contours and shape of the image. It is also often used with GIF and PNG format. The fifth one is the top and bottom format, where it pushes the text away vertically to the top and or bottom of the image, allowing it to occupy the whole text line, such as in this example. Last but not least are the behind and front of the text format. As it implies in the name, the image is placed anywhere behind or front of the text. This is often done for signatures, watermarks, and others of similar nature. Well, has Microsoft Word been made easier for you? Let me know if there are still some functions or common problems you encounter and how to deal with them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this one, subscribe for more videos like this. And don't forget to like, comment, and share this video to others, as one easy action, as sharing might make the life of someone easier. This is Teacher JM, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.